In this video, I'll show you how to use apps in split screen mode on the Galaxy Z Flip 8. Now you need to have at least one of the apps you want in split screen, open up and running in the background. And then you can go into multitasking mode. Of course, if you use gestures, just swipe and hold, and that's going to take you into this multitasking mode. And then you go to the app, tap on the app icon, and then select open in split screen view. And then it's going to open up in the top half of your screen. And then in the bottom half, you'll have the option to select another app that you want to open. So let's say that app is a calculator, for instance. So as you can see, those two apps are open in split screen and I can use both of them at the same time. Now, if you tap on the middle, you can actually see these two arrows allow you to interchange the two apps so that you can have the lower app come to the top and the one at the top come to the bottom. And also you have the option to save those two apps in split screen mode. Now, you can change any app that is in split screen by repeating the process. You can just adjust that line all the way to the end, tap on that, and then restart the split screen view. And then now you can open the other app you want to use in split screen in the bottom half of your phone. So I'm going to go for YouTube, for instance. So you can see we have those two apps open. Now, if you have screen auto rotate enabled, then that means you can even use these two apps in split screen in landscape mode like that. Okay, so we have these two apps running in split screen. So that is how to use split screen. And of course, the divider in the middle will always allow you to adjust the screen real estate that each of the app occupies in split screen. Thanks for watching and good luck.